A couple of charts just to show you, just to whet our appetite.
Sure.
1 week implied volatility, sterling dollar is, nowhere near Brexit record levels, nowhere near election 2015 or Scottish referendum levels as well, sterling. And this is the other one, risk reversal data. Earlier got to sort of levels we saw in July, bearish sentiment, but nowhere near pre-Brexit.
Sure.
Is it adequately reflecting the risk, these charts, or not?
I think it is, because it would be quite a big shock for anything to happen except a Conservative government with some kind of majority, maybe a much smaller majority than they would like. In that advent, you'll probably see a modest amount of sterling strength, but actually a pretty quiet day in the markets. Now, if you get the other end of the tail, somehow Labour comes out to win, I think you'll see the biggest action be in the gilt market there. Is that justified? He wants to spend more, but he also says he wants to tax more. So is it more gilt issuance? The factor there is, do you believe they can actually raise that revenue or not? But I think the worst outcome for sterling would be of truly hung Parliament and some element of political chaos or of hugely uncertainty, and churning through that for the next couple of weeks will probably lead to some small drop and then a gradual grind lower. But all these are minor priorities. The big money is still on the Conservatives.
Yeah, I mean, hung Parliament, depending on who leads the government.
Yeah.
Does it derail the start of Brexit negotiations? What impact does it have on the time frame, which is due to begin in 11 days' time?
Yeah, indeed. I think it would have to. I mean, nobody really knows. But obviously, if the Conservatives were the largest party, I believe they would obviously go forward with a Queen's speech, which could then be voted down, and then maybe have fresh elections again. I really don't know, and I don't think anyone does. That's the whole point.
Game on.
That's the whole point. And so it would certainly be a very interesting and enthralling picture if we get that.